Hi. We're back. I seriously don't know what I'm doing. Yeah. It's not a filter. I know you didn't ask, but I'm just saying so because I'm stupid. That is the sun. That is my filter. I mean, it's not a real filter. Well, this is natural. It's natural. I know you didn't ask, but I'm a psycho, so I'm telling you that. What is that? Seriously, what is that? I didn't put this here. Part 2 next video.